Ever feel like your workflow is held together by luck and caffeine? Good news, you don't need superpowers, just better tools. Here are 20 game-changing tools that'll make your work faster, cleaner, and so efficient, you might actually have free time left. The OX Speedframe from OX Tools is a durable, extendable layout tool designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a clear readout scale, integrated levels, and a secure locking system, it enables fast, accurate, and repeatable measurements, making it ideal for professionals across multiple trades who demand consistent, reliable results. The Spin Scrubber from Fantic is a compact cordless cleaning tool designed for effortless car detailing. With adjustable angles, interchangeable brush heads, long-lasting battery life, and a waterproof build, it tackles dirt inside and out efficiently, saving time and reducing effort while delivering thorough, consistent cleaning results every single time. The EVOMAX Mitering Chop Saw from Evolution Power Tools is a heavy-duty cold-cut saw featuring a powerful motor, durable long-life blade, and precise mitering capability, delivering fast, clean, and accurate metal cuts while minimizing heat, burrs, and sparks for safer, more efficient performance on demanding job sites every single time. The Sunjoe Max Electric Pressure Washer from Sunjoe delivers up to 2,200 pounds per square inch with a powerful motor, multiple nozzles, and a foam cannon for versatile, efficient cleaning across outdoor surfaces and vehicles. Its compact design and easy setup make it ideal for homeowners seeking reliable results every time. The Tigris CX from Rocamot is a cordless insulation cutter featuring a diamond wire system for fast, clean cuts across various materials. With a brushless motor, adjustable cutting angles, and durable construction, it delivers precise, efficient performance, making it a reliable tool for demanding job site applications every single day. The Diagonal Cutter from Knipex is a high-performance tool built for precision and reduced effort. It features optimized joint geometry, hardened cutting edges for tough wires, and ergonomic handles that provide a secure, comfortable grip, ensuring efficient, reliable cutting performance in demanding professional and everyday tasks. The Pok-It II Tool from Bandit is a compact banding tool featuring a ratcheting mechanism and integrated cutter for quick, secure installations. Designed for tight spaces, it delivers precise tensioning and reliable performance, making it an efficient solution for fastening applications in both professional and industrial environments. The F3 Rhino Cart from BuildPro is an upgraded fabrication table cart featuring a customizable grid system, integrated slag trays, and improved electrical access. Built for welding and fabrication tasks, it enhances efficiency, organization, and workflow while providing a sturdy, versatile workspace for precise and productive project execution. The HUP Light Stripe 15 and HUP Light Stripe 25 LED light strips from HUP are high-output, IP65 rated lighting solutions built for both indoor and outdoor use. They deliver bright, consistent illumination with durable, weather-resistant construction, making them ideal for workshops, job sites, and architectural applications requiring reliable, efficient lighting performance. The VINON Caulking Gun is a cordless, high-force applicator designed for smooth and consistent sealing. With adjustable speed control, anti-drip functionality, and durable construction, it reduces user effort while improving precision, making it ideal for professional and DIY applications requiring clean, efficient, and reliable results every time. The EZL 1000B from EdmoLift is a battery-powered lift trolley built to handle loads up to 1,000 kilograms. It features a stable scissor lift mechanism, adjustable working height, and a Euro pallet-compatible platform, ensuring efficient, ergonomic, and safe material handling across industrial and warehouse environments. The HHS 1000 from Würth is a low-viscosity adhesive grease that penetrates like oil and protects like grease. It delivers excellent lubrication, strong corrosion resistance, and reliable performance across a wide temperature range, making it ideal for long-lasting protection in demanding mechanical and industrial applications. The Quick Change Adapter set from Würth features a ball locking mechanism for fast, secure bit changes and a durable chrome-plated finish for long-lasting use. With a 24mm hex to 1/2-inch square drive design, it ensures reliable performance and efficiency in demanding machine operation tasks. The VISIMOW 18-volt robot lawn mowers from Bosch are compact battery-powered solutions designed for small lawns. With smart sensors enabling wire-free operation, quick setup, adjustable cutting, and semi-autonomous mowing, they offer efficient performance, easy handling, and convenient storage for hassle-free lawn maintenance. The rotating trigger clamp from Bessey features a 360-degree rotating handle for optimal positioning, improving ergonomics and flexibility during use. Its smart design allows multiple clamps to fit in tight spaces by rotating handles out of the way, ensuring efficient, precise clamping in demanding applications. The Ionic drive angle grinder from Kreg is a versatile 20-volt tool with a brushless motor and 6-speed control, delivering up to 9,000 revolutions per minute for wood and metal applications. It features soft start operation, multiple handle positions, and tool-free adjustments for precise and flexible use. The cordless Screed VINON 001G from Makita is a battery-powered concrete leveling tool built for smooth, efficient screeding. It features a powerful motor, variable speed control, and compatibility with interchangeable blades, ensuring consistent performance and high-quality surface finishing on professional construction and flooring projects. The Terrace construction set Paro from Bessey is a heavy-duty clamping system designed for precise alignment and fixing of decking boards. It features strong clamping force, an ergonomic handle, one-handed operation, and a robust reinforced build for efficient and reliable terrace installation. The Ionic Drive Wet and Dry Vac from Kreg is a compact cordless vacuum with strong suction and HEPA filtration, capturing fine dust for cleaner workspaces. It features a brushless motor, dual-speed control, wet-dry capability, and versatile hose compatibility for shop and job site use. The Master 650 ERGO from wolfcraft is a height-adjustable folding workbench designed for clamping, cutting, and assembly tasks. It features an ergonomic design, tiltable work surface, and sturdy construction, making it a versatile and comfortable solution for DIY and workshop projects. That wraps up 20 amazing tools that can seriously upgrade your workflow and make every project faster, cleaner, and more precise. From smart solutions by OX tools to innovative builds from Kreg and Makita, we've covered something for every kind of maker. If you found a favorite, drop it in the comments. We're curious what you'd actually put to work. And if you want more tool breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.